Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your network settings on your MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead into your Wi-Fi settings up here and click on Wi-Fi settings. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and forget your network and then rejoin it once. And now the other thing that you need to do is press Command plus space and then search for a terminal. Once you've done that, simply go to, I'm going to give you a code right over here, which is going to be on my description as well. Simply go ahead and copy that code and then paste it. It's going to be sudo space ds cache util space dash flush cache semicolon space sudo space kill all space dash hup space m DNS responder. So simply go ahead and enter. It's going to ask you for your password. Simply go ahead and enter your password right here. It's going to simply go ahead and flush all your DNS cache. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.